Let's take a look and talk about openings today, and in particular, roller doors and how they are inserted into act dimensions. Let's be clear, when you're talking about dimensions, we're always talking about dimensions for the opening of the door, and we talk about a rough opening width and a rough opening height. Now, your customers, when they request a door from you, don't tell you that they need a 3.50 meter wide door. They tell you they need a 3 meter wide opening. They may refer to it as a door, but really they're talking about the opening. So with that in mind, we're also going to put in the door based on that opening and let the program then choose the actual door size needed for that opening. So with that in mind, we go to our job and we go up, add an opening, and we'll pick a roller door, and let's just choose this one here. And you'll notice at the top of every one we go to, you'll see enter rough opening size. Now our suggestion is that you use that most of the time. If, however, you can find the right rough opening size below, by all means select it. But in this instance, I'm going to choose to enter the rough opening size. Now, doors are broken down into sizes all around pricing. So in other words, a 3 to a 3.5 meter door will be the same price. 3.6 to 4 will be the same price. So you can see here that this particular door we've chosen has a range of doors from 2.4 to 5.2. Within that, there may be 4 or 5 different categories of price. So what's happening is I'm going to put in the door size the door rough opening size that I want, and I'm going to let the program choose the best door based on that. So I've put in a 3 by 2.5 rough opening, which is what I will have here. But if I right click on it, you can see that it's chosen this particular door, and the door size when you create the bill of materials, which we'll do shortly, and you can look and you can see that the actual door size will be larger than this. When you look at this also, you notice that these are overridden red, and that's overridden simply because that is not the maximum size of the door that's been chosen within that price range can be. So in other words, if we were to click on this and push escape, we might find that it goes to 2.6. Well, in fact, let's do that. Let's just try that. Actually, in this particular one, it's picked up, and we could go to as high, to as high as 3 if we wanted to. We'll stick with the 2.5 because that's what I'd chosen. But just to let you know that that's all within the price range is why that's red is because it's not at the maximum size of the price range that you can choose. All right, so we've got that there. Let's just click on that and let's just create let's just preview the order and let's look for that door. So you'll remember that it was 3 by 2.5 rough opening. And if we look at the door here, you can see we've got a 3 by 3.170. So it's added that additional curtain width for that curtain. Okay. So hopefully that helps explain in terms of putting in roller doors. If you need any help or you need further explanation, please reach out to us, support@actbuildingsystems.com. ACT, we're here to make it easy. Thank you.